Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. Your boy JJ right here once again. We're going to do a little bit of commentary because AMD just got done posting their video out. They did a whole presentation 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So stick around. I got a little bit of commentary for you right here at JJ's PC Builds. Alrighty, welcome back everybody. I'm going to go ahead and give you my thoughts and impressions to this video here. I'm going to let you know what I've been thinking, and we're just going to get to it. Here we go.
AMD Radeon 7900 series, built for extreme performance to drive 4K and 8K high refresh rate gaming monitors, powered by the world's most advanced gaming graphics architecture, RDNA 3. Here we go. Starting December 13th, 2022, you'll be able to purchase the 7900XTX for $999.
Now, as you can see, the new graphics cards coming out for AMD Radeon RX 7900XTX is $999. Okay, the AMD Radeon RX 7900XT is $899. Now, I suggest you go and watch all of AMD's presentation. That way you get a better idea on what's going on with these cards. I'm going to tell you like this. From what I've seen, in my opinion, this is my opinion, with the amount of ray tracing, the amount of everything that they put together with these cards, they're well worth their price. Especially when it comes to when you look at NVIDIA, they're charging $1,600 minimal, and then you got scalpers that are charging it to $2,500, and then you got AMD here, card that's just $1,000. Flat base, I would say just $1,000, and then the other one's $900. But as far as performance, price to performance, yes, it's well worth its price to performance. Just to let you know, this is just a little end cap to it, and what I was going to tell y'all, I was going to give my opinions on it. I just blew through the whole video because I didn't want to get any strikes or anything on the video. So, my opinion, on December the 13th, 2022, they're going to be rolling out with the two new cards from AMD. And as they were saying through the video, they said if you run the new line of processors will be very compatible with these new graphics cards. Not to say that Intel won't be compatible or not. That's soon to be tested. But we're going to definitely, as soon as we get our hands on it, we're going to definitely run some tests on these cards. So, my opinion, with the amount of cores, the amount of the mini processors they got in there, the amount of VRAM, everything about the card from what I've seen on the presentation, it's like a dream come true. Tongue tied again. A dream come true, just to let you know. And far as it matching up with NVIDIA 4090, won't know until we test it. So I'm just going to elaborate on the price. The price to performance is good. I'll give AMD that credit. The price of performance is awesome, because their new cards are way less than that $1,600 beast that's catching fire. But anyway, I'm going to get up out of here because I got some things I got to get done today. My birthday's tomorrow, so I might do a live stream tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'll see how I can work that out. And then during the live stream, I'll be able to cap more on this video. That way y'all can, get more of my opinions on it. But anyway, make sure you subscribe. We still need 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you like. We love the likes. If you love the video, then put some likes on it. And if you watch the videos from beginning to the end, would be much appreciated too. Gives us more time. That way we can get up there so we can make our actual creator status. To me, if I got to meet 1,000 subscribers and I got to meet 4,000 video hours that needs to be viewed by the YouTubers, and YouTubers to sign up and become a part of the JJPC Builds family, I'm not going to consider myself a full creator until we reach that goal. And then after that, we can go from there. But until the next time, in the next video, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you again. And do have an awesome day and be safe.